So here in this lecture we are going to learn magic method in Python. Okay. So magic method also called a Dunder method. Okay. It is a special built-in method in Python. They always start and end with double underscore. Double underscore like this. Okay. So that's why it is called a Dunder method. By or they call a magic because Python automatically call them. You do not call them yourself. You do not need to call them yourself, but Python automatically call them. So we already use underscore in it. Okay. Underscore init underscore initialize a new instant of a class. Okay, we already use underscore str underscore means return a string representation of the object, or we already use underscore repr underscore return an official string representation of an object, or we already have underscore len underscore this means return the length of an object. Okay, and we use underscore get item underscore it's mean get an item from the container. And we already have underscore set item underscore this means set an item in a container. Okay, self means this object like in real life. My name belong to me, your name belong to you. In Python, self.name means name of this object. Self.age means age of this object. Okay, so now I'm just giving example of these dunder methods. So we already have different dunder method. I am just giving you one two example. So or if you want more, then you can create by your own. Okay, so first is init constructor run automatically when object is created. Purpose for set the values. By we use, so every object get its own data when it created. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so you can see here init constructor run automatically when object is created. Okay, so this is the class person. Here I created dunder method by using init constructor self and name to name, and here p equals to person nidhi and p dot person nidhi. I'm just going to select my kernel. Okay, recommended kernel. Okay, guys, this will print Nidhi. Okay, here you can see in output, or you can change name. So this is called a Dunder method. We already used lots of time in my previous video. Okay, so this is just a run automatically when object is created. Okay, so this is the object p equals to person Nidhi. Okay, then it will run automatically. You don't need to run this. Okay, now this is the str underscore str underscore controlling the printing. Okay, so purpose make print the object look nice without a string. Print so memory address. Okay, or with the string you control the output message. Okay, if you don't use this, what happen? It will give you object this one. Otherwise, if you use str, then it will give you message like this person name is Nidhi. Here you can see I already write without str print so memory address. Okay, and with the str you control the output of message. Okay, so here I already use init, that is also dunder method, and here this is the class person. Okay, here this is the parameter self dot name. Here name, I'm going to store name here, self dot name equals to name, and this is for control the output message by using str. Okay, so return the person name. Here self dot name, I'm going to use this name here, and here this is the object. P for person class and person name is Nidhi. And print P, person name is Nidhi. I hope you got it. Now I use underscore underscore add underscore underscore custom plus behavior. This method run when you use the plus operator between object. Okay. So here I have class that name is number. Okay. This is the constructor underscore underscore in it, and it has value as a parameter. Okay, it store the value. Self dot value is equals to value. Okay, and this is the another function that is for add. So here I am going to use plus. Here you can see this is the value one and this is the other value. Okay, so here you can see return self dot value from init and self dot other dot value. This one, this is the other value. Okay, here I'm going to create object name that is n1 for number 10. Okay, value equals to 10, and n2 number equals to 20, that is other value, this one. Okay, this is for value 10 and this is for value 20. Here print n1 plus n2. So this method run when you use plus operator between object. Okay, so I have object n1 and n2, or I'm going to use plus operator between these object n1 and n2. Okay, that's why it is called la underscore underscore add underscore underscore add custom plus behavior. This run when you use plus operator between the object. Okay, this is the self for n1 and other for n2. Okay, this is the for value 1, another value n2 is equals to 4 other. I hope you got it. Okay, so I got 30. 10 plus 20, 30. Okay, guys, this is called a magic method.